Good morning, children. Welcome back to the science class. Children, here we completed our 9 lessons. Now today we'll start our new lesson, that is 10th lesson, our beautiful universe. This is very interesting lesson. Okay. Children, in this lesson we shall study first point, our universe. Second point, our neighbors in space, stars, planets and moon. Third point, our solar system. Next, fourth point, the earth, its movements, formation of day, night and seasons. So, this is part 1 of this chapter 10. Let us first go through a brief introduction about this chapter. Okay, introduction. The universe includes all of space and all of the known matter and energy. This includes millions of galaxies and the stars within. Galaxies can contain up to 1,00,000,000 stars. Where did all this come from? So, let's start the video. First we will discuss about our universe. Children, look at the sky on a clear night. See here, children. Look at the sky on a clear night. Besides moon, what else do you see? Yes, you can see a large number of twinkling stars. See here, children, in picture. You can see a large number of twinkling stars. The stars are huge balls of burning gases which produce their own heat and light. You can see here in image. The stars are huge balls. See here, children, in picture of burning gases which produce their own heat and light. Next, our neighborhood in space. You can see here, children, in the picture. See here, first I take first image, day sky, and second image is night sky. Next is stars. There are countless stars in the universe. Listen here, children. There are countless stars in the universe. They are gigantic balls of hot gases. Stars are 1,000 times bigger than our Earth. Yet they look just like dots. You can see in image. Just look like dots. Okay. This is because they are very much far away from the Earth. The sun is the nearest star to the earth. You can see in image. The sun is the nearest star to the earth. That is why it appears much bigger than the other stars. It gives us heat and light, which is necessary for life on the earth. Next is a telescope. We discussed about telescope. We use an instrument to look at the stars. Listen here, children. We use an instrument to look at the stars, the moon and the other bodies in the sky, more clearly called telescope. You can see here in picture. Okay, this is telescope. Next is solar system. Children, the solar system consists of the sun, the 8 planets and their satellites or moons, and other heavenly bodies such as comets and asteroids. Okay. So see here children, this is solar system. Okay. Next is planets. Planets are the large heavenly bodies made of gaseous, metals or a rock. There are 8 planets which move around the sun. See here children, there are 8 planets which move around the sun. Each planet moves around the sun on its own path called on orbit. Listen here children, there are 8 planets which move around the sun. Each planet moves around the sun on its own path is called an orbit. The orbits are circular paths with the sun at their center. Look at the picture. See here children. The orbits are, see here children, circular line is called orbits. The orbits are circular paths with the sun at their center. See here children. Sun is at their center. Look at the picture. The orbits of different planets do not cross each other. Each planet remains in its own orbit. Each planet remains in its own orbit. See here children. These are own orbit separately. Okay. Circular path is called orbit. The 8 planets according to distances from the sun are, see here children in picture, solar system. The 8 planets according to distance from the sun. Okay. First is Mercury. See here children in picture. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The dotted lines are called orbits. See here children in picture. These dotted lines are called orbit. These are the 8 planets. Okay. Next we will discuss about one by one. First planet is Mercury. See here children. First is Mercury. This is Mercury. It is the smallest of the 8 planets. It is the smallest of the 8 planets. It is the nearest planet to the sun. Listen here children. It is the nearest planet to the sun. It is very hot during the day and very cold at night. It moves faster than any other planet. Okay. Next, second one, Venus. This is Venus planet. Venus is the second from the sun. It is the brightest and hottest planet. It is also called evening and morning star, as it can be seen in the evening and morning. Okay. Next, third one, Earth. Third planet is Earth. Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has a water and air that contains oxygen. It has a water and air that contains oxygen. It is only planet with life on it. Next, fourth one, Mars. This is Mars. Mars is covered with a reddish sand. See here children in image. Mars is covered with a reddish sand and rocks because of its reddish appearance. It is also called the red planet. Mars is also called red planet. This is called red planet. Okay. Next, fifth one, Jupiter. This one, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest of all planets. Next, sixth one, Saturn. See here children in image. Sixth one, Saturn. Saturn is the most beautiful planet because of its spectacular ring. See here children, this is spectacular ring system around it. It has a dense ring around it. It has a dense ring around it. Next, seventh one, Uranus. Uranus is the second farthest planet from the Sun. Next, lastly, eighth one, Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. It is the coldest planet. Okay, clear children? Next is satellite. A satellite is a heavenly body that revolves around planet. Listen here children, satellite means a satellite is a heavenly body that revolves around planet. The moon revolves around the earth. So, the moon is a satellite of the earth. It has no light of its own. It shines because it reflects the light of the sun. Okay. So, students, this was all about our universe, solar system, planets and moon. In my next video, we will discuss about the earth, its movements, formation of day, night and seasons. Okay, clear children? Thank you children. Stay home and stay safe. Have a nice day.